All right, let's dive into Mercury, the solar system's own little planet of paradoxes.
At first glance, you'd probably think it's the moon's twin, just a gray cratered rock.
I mean, they're both airless and totally scarred by impacts, but beneath that surface, a world of contradictions.
Mercury is a planet that just pushes everything to the limit, starting with its so-called atmosphere.
It doesn't really have one, just this super thin exosphere made of atoms blasted off its surface.
And this brings us to our first big puzzle. How can the closest planet to the sun possibly have ice?
In the daytime, temps can hit a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead.
But at night, with no atmosphere to trap that heat, it plummets to minus 290.
Well, the secret is shadow. Craters near the poles have floors that never see sunlight. Perfect cosmic freezers.
The weirdness goes even deeper, though, right to its core. People often compare it to a cannonball. And that's because its giant iron core takes up a staggering 85% of the whole planet. So, how'd scientists figure that out from so far away? They watched how the planet wobbles. These tiny wobbles, called librations, proved that its outer core has to be molten metal.
And that churning liquid core? It powers another one of Mercury's surprises, a magnetic field.
So get this, Mercury is not some dead rock. Its surface is actually still changing right now.
As its massive core has cooled down over billions of years, the whole planet has literally been shrinking. This global contraction has created enormous cliffs and ridges. Think of them like wrinkles all over its surface.
But shrinking isn't the only thing going on. Spacecraft found thousands of these strange bright pits.
They're called hollows, and they seem to be super young, geologically speaking. The surface is still evolving.
All these puzzles make Mercury a crucial lab for understanding how rocky planets, like our own, actually work.
And the story is far from over. The Bepi-Colombo mission is on its way to uncover even more secrets.
It really makes you wonder, what other secrets are hiding on the planets we think we know so well?